First of all, make sure you drop a like on the video, subscribe for brand new. Referee, blow the whistle. Let's go. Bro, what's up? Why go Elsa, brother?
But the game boring.
Alright. So what you
Boring,
think about
boring,
the game?
boring,
What you
boring,
think about the
boring.
game?
I'll be honest with you, the game dead. Manchester United has a first shot now the first not 79 minute. Shot on target at 79 minutes. The game was just dead boring, fam. I think credit to Fulham because what Fulham did was try to play their football. Manchester United just couldn't break through them one bit. One bit. You can see that Ahmad was lively on the right hand side. Garnacho, not so much so. Can't get past nobody. Always a turn back the ball. Get it, turn back, kick it back, get to Martinez, I get it back the that can't get past someone. It's was a tough game to watch. Luckily for me, Manchester United women team was playing at the same time, 15 minutes before the game started. So I was watching the female team and the male team, and the female team did well. So kudos, I guess. Yeah, but listen, it's a very good win. Licha. Thank you very much. I was panicked, worried, everything I won in the last 8-10 minutes because Fulham kept coming. Manchester United defended well at spurts. Big shout out to Toby to Collier. Toby Blood Collier. It's the last second goal line clearance. Remember what happened? I think Leicester didn't play against. I was playing some blue team last year. And the man that appeared out of nowhere, right, was Mino. Goal line clearance. That's what Toby Collier did this year. I'm just saying, fam. I'm just saying. But yeah, all in all, it was a boring game, but I'm glad we won. Let me emphasize that I am glad Manchester United finally won a game in the Premier League. Finally won a game in the blood clot Premier League, fam. So now we can move forward, push forward. Finally won a game in the Premier League. Continue to look upwards. Fix our farming up at home. Look upwards, fam. Look upwards. That's all we can say at this point. Just look upwards, fam. Look upwards. But all in all, decent game, decent win. On to the next one, fam. On to FS Bumbuckler B. FSB. Believe yourself. Bless up others. Manaz.